That's our tent. There we go. We're back to our tent. So guys, this is the campground of Zion National Park. So the whole place is for the tents only. Well, you don't need to. How's the cooking? Okay, just cook for all of us then. I mean all of us, whatever. So okay, no more hot dogs then. You don't need to cook the hot dogs. So this is our tent, and mom is cooking. Very nice view, guys. See that one? See, that's our neighbors. You see our neighbors? Our neighbors, they have tents also.
Is the shrimp already cooked?
Like I said, we have a very nice view over there. And the good thing is, that's the bathroom over there. So it's just near. Right there, the brown building. So again, this, like I said, this is the whole camping area. So everybody camps here. And we bring our stuff here. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.